What's up, you guys? So in today's video we're installing the steering wheel on the 350Z. It should be a smooth, easy install, maybe 2 to 3 hours at the most. And then on the next video I'm doing the exhaust and the LSD because I bought a base model, so it has an open diff. It's pretty early, but first off I'm going to the gym because your boy needs to lose some weight, and then we'll get back to it. Let's go. So for this you're going to need your short hub, also your quick release, and your steering wheel, any brand. You're also going to need a 10mm wrench, a T30 torque bit, a 19mm socket, a breaker bar, and a flathead screwdriver. Alright, let's get it. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure the steering wheel is straight. Once it's straight, you're gonna pop your hood and disconnect the battery. So now you come with your 10mm wrench and disconnect the battery. You don't want the airbag to knock you out. On the side of the steering wheel, there's the small little caps. There's one right here, and the other one is on the opposite side, right here. We are going to remove both the little caps on, just like so. There goes one. There goes the other one. Alright, after that, you are going to get your T30. Where's that thing at? Let me find it. Here it is. You're going to get your T30 torque. Put it in there. God damn, it's not a T30. It might be like a T20. Alright, well, let me bring a smaller one. So it is a T30. But it's a special T30 that I don't have, so I'm going to Lowe's to buy it. Let's go. So here I am at Lowe's, and this is what I'm talking about. It has to have a little hole instead of that. But I'm not trying to pay $24, so I found a single one for like $5. So yeah. Alright, let's go back to it. So here we go again. I thought this whole thing was gonna take me less than an hour. I'm an hour in already. Hopefully no more messing up. Alright, let's go get it. Hopefully I don't get knocked out by this. And there goes the other one. Now I should be able to move. There we go. Simple. Back at it. So oh shit. Oh no, it broke. It broke. It was already broken, but let's see if I can still lift it. come off now. There we go. Yeah, we did it. We'll put that right there. Now I'm going to disconnect this. There we go. Now your 19mm socket right there. Get your breaker bar or whatever you're using. And let's loosen this up. Now you go up. Yeah. That wasn't even that hard. That was easy. Oh shit. Okay, now we're gonna hit it a couple times. Just play with it a little bit. I think it's good. Now let's remove it all the way. And it's out. Now, do not pull it hard because you'll pull your clock spring. So let's do this gentle, easy, easy, easy. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Hey. Now let me open the short hub and we'll go from there. So now you unplug this. Okay. You get your short hub. Let me open this. Okay, your wires. Am I the only one that bites them to open them? No. Okay, and let's install this. This is a longer one for your horn. There we go. Now, okay, you see that little dot right there? There's also like a little line right here. Let's make sure, I'm sure you guys can see it. Let's make sure we put it like that. Let me run the cables through here. Is everything good in there? Everything was good in there. Now remember, make sure you're aligned with the little dot. Let's put this nut back together. Alright, that's it. That's it. Now let's get our quick release. And let's open it. Nice. Nice. I don't know what it's that for. So this pins, I guess they go inside of here. not going nowhere now. Okay. Now we open this little couple tools that came with your quick release. This is your ground. Let's put this one inside of here. Okay. Okay. Make sure it's tight in there. It's tight. We're good. Now connect this one to your little horn. Perfect. Let's put the cable back in there. Make sure the little dot matches that other middle. Now, let's grab, and there we go. That's it, let's try it. Let's now take 100. Let me get the screws. Okay. Feels solid. Let me connect the battery. So the battery's back on. Let's see. Hey, it worked. After all this 2-3 hours, it works. Yes, we're done.